Well, I was dreading this morning, thinking I would end up having to take the motor off the Vevor lathe. And looking at some videos showing how to do that, it was going to be an involved thing. But I was able to square up the pulley off on the motor shaft. I still don't have a lot of confidence in that. Although when I was prying it to the different sides to square the belt up so it runs straight, that was difficult to move. So I guess it's holding okay. So that left one issue, and that was the noise. So I wanted to try to determine where the noise was coming from. So I took the chuck off, and that's a real pain. It looks like they could have come up with a better way of doing that instead of having to take off those three nuts in that so little space. And taking it off is not so bad. It's putting them back on. For an old klutz like me, that was fun. Sarcasm intended. But the first part of the video that'll follow, you'll hear it with the chuck on, or I'm sorry, with the chuck off. And then I put the chuck back on, and I don't know whether it wasn't as tight as it should have been before, but it's a lot quieter now. Although so it's about the same noise it had when I first received it. So that's progress, I guess. It still has this mysterious tendency to when you first turn it on, and this is without any load, for it not to start. You cut it off, rotate the chuck a little bit, turn it back on, it kicks right up. I don't know what that is. When it does that, the motor just hums. So I don't know whether it shows that the motor's not in real good health. I don't know. I included that to follow here so that somebody may have a clue. And if you do, please put it down in the description so I can try to get to the root of the noise. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to run it until the noise gets bad enough that I can see where it's broken. But anyway, other than the pain of taking covers off and whatnot, it's fine. I haven't put the conduit for the wires that go up to the safety switch. I don't even know if I will. I don't see any real harm. There's nothing back there to interfere with them, but I'll save those parts. And some later time, I may put that cover back on. So with no further ado, here's the videos.